my last question to you is that this industry is known to be such a dynamic industry. It gives you a lot, it takes away from you also a lot. So tell me about two moments in which once you cried tears of happiness and once when you cried tears of disappointment.
Okay, I'll talk about disappointment. तो disappointment वाले बहुत ज़्यादा scenes रहे हैं. So I was doing this film. I was about to do this film, Airlift.
Okay.
So I'm a huge fan of Mr. Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
And in 2015 or maybe 16, I got a call from the casting director Vicky Sadana that we are casting for this film, and there's a role, there's an important role, and you come and audition. So in those days, I used to live in Delhi. So I used to come specially for the auditions to Bombay because I didn't have much money, so I can, rent a house and live there. So you come just to give audition. So I came here, I gave the audition. Director Raja Menon liked it very much. So I was almost done. Script was given to me, and my driving test, passport, this and that, everything was done. And I was so excited to meet Mr. Akshay Kumar on the reading session that that one day when we were like about to go a day or 2 days before when we about to visit Mr. Kumar, there was no phone call came to me, and I was like, "What's happening? Why are not calling me?" So I realized that there's something fishy about it. So I chased the casting director. So he didn't pick my call. I chased I chased the AD of the project. I went to their office, Nikhil Advani's office, to know that what's happening on this. So they didn't have the, answer. The only thing was that they said, we are thinking of somebody else. We are looking for some known person. Oh. So that broke me. So I thought, why? I mean, am I not known of what known look like? So I remember my mom and my father was very happy. In fact, my family was happy because everybody loves Akshay Kumar in my family. So it was like dream come true wala thing. Finally you're getting chance to work with Mr. Kumar. So I remember it was all, it all came down to ground zero that I was not doing this project. I met Mr. Menon, Raja Krishna Menon, the director, and he said, "I'm sorry, they've taken somebody else, but I would love to work with you in near future." And I was like, "Sir, I was ready with my part. I was ready. So see, this is my script. I've done my homework. I was ready. How can you do this to me?" But, this is part and parcel of our business, our film line. So
but did that disappoint you more that they didn't even kind of tell you that, hey, you are not on board anymore? Like you literally were kept on the tender hooks to basically know what's going on.
Yes, but I realized it. When I didn't get the call, I realized there's kuch khel ho gaya hai. But I didn't wanted that this negative thought should, surround me. So I kept calling them. I kept initiating. I took initiative कि मैं खुद ही जाता था. But I remember I called my mom was always on call to know the status that this film is happening or not. So I remember I called my mother up in the morning that I'm going to their office and everything gonna be all right and probably I'll be doing the movie. She was so excited. But I still remember when I was coming back to home and I was walking from Juhu to Yari Road, Versova. I was walking.
Are you serious? You were walking from Juhu to Versova?
Yes, I didn't took any bus, auto or nothing. So I was in my thought because I got to know that, okay, you are not doing this. You're not part of the project. So you can just, thank you so much. So I was on phone call and my mom called me and said, "Kya hua? Ho gaya? Sab theek hai na?" So I started crying, but I tried hiding it from my mother. I started crying in the middle of road and I was like, "Mom, कुछ है उनका अपना scene है, वो 1-2 दिन में बताएंगे. Everything will gonna be all right. So you don't worry. सब ठीक हो जाएगा." So I was literally crying and I cut the phone and so I was in my own zone and I was like, I was like looking up in the sky and asking questions to God कि क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ ऐसा? ये मतलब अभी तो खुशी आई थी और it just exited. So yes, that was the moment where I cried. And happy moments, yes, when I got selected for Sacred Games, because I so much so wanted to work with Anurag sir, and for like 2 years I didn't do anything. After 2015 say 2017 I had no work, and in 2017 I got this project Sacred Game, and I was so happy. So there was no tears of happiness in my eyes, but I was overexcited about the whole thing. That finally you are working with big names, you are working with director you always wanted to work with, and what was in bonus was Vikramaditya Motwani.
Yes.
So he was also one of the directors. So I was like so happy that finally it's happening, And so I think these are two best moment. And of course, 83. 83 also plays an important role in my career. And I'm so excited about this film. So yes.
Thank you, and all the best for 83. I'm sure like people are waiting for it like anything, especially after the lockdown. People are dying to just go out and enjoy that theater time with the family and friends. So thank you for talking to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.